In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PPT to video in Colossyan. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing PowerPoint presentation into Colossyan and let the platform turn it into a video with just a couple of clicks. This is perfect when you already have slides ready and you want a fast, professional-looking video without rebuilding everything from scratch. Before we start, make sure your PowerPoint file is saved and ready to go. The modern .pptx format typically works best. If your slides use custom fonts or include videos or animations, keep in mind that the final result may look slightly different depending on how those elements are handled during import. A clean, simple slide design usually converts most reliably. First, log into Colossyan. Use your usual account and confirm you're in the right workspace or project area where you want the video to live. A stable internet connection helps ensure the upload and processing go smoothly. Once you're in, you should be looking at the main dashboard. Next, click on Import. You'll find this option in the interface. It opens the panel where you can bring external files into Colossyan. This is the gateway for getting your PowerPoint onto the platform so it can be converted. If your file is large, give the panel a moment to load before proceeding. Now upload your PPT here. You can usually drag and drop your presentation into the window or browse your computer to select it. Double check you've chosen the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions. If your presentation includes high-resolution images, be aware that larger files may take longer to process. Keeping file names clear and avoiding special characters can also help prevent hiccups during upload. Then click on Import. This confirms your choice and starts the process. You'll see the upload progress, and once it's finished, Colossyan will begin processing your slides. Behind the scenes, the platform analyzes each slide and prepares it for video conversion. During this time, avoid closing your browser tab or putting your device to sleep. If you need to multitask, leave the tab open in the background and let Colossyan do its work. When the processing completes, your imported presentation will be ready as a video project within Colossyan. From here, you can simply view the results. And that's all there is to it. Log in, click Import, upload your PPT, and click Import again to start the conversion. You've just taken your presentation one step closer to a polished video with minimal effort.